NANI?!
What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. I know it's been a long time since I've done one of these, but I got a bunch of boxes in recently, and I thought what better way to show you guys some of the cool tech that's coming in the Tech Source headquarters than to do an unboxing video. I'm really excited for some really cool projects coming up on the channel, guys, and I cannot wait to show you guys. But yeah, with that said, let's dive right in. The Apple Watch 4 gives you the amazing ability to take ECG readings right from the watch. RocketBody is an ECG-based personal fitness trainer for your Apple Watch. The app provides high-quality control over body condition during a training session and throughout the entire day, determining your readiness for the next workout and recovery level via ECG, the most accurate body indicator. The main distinctive feature of the app is completely personalized training. Customized workouts are generated based on the physical condition of the user, taken through the ECG immediately before the workout starts. RocketBody enables the most beneficial training and lets people enjoy the workout process and achieve their goals. Try the app out for free with a 14-day trial at the link below. Also, RocketBody will launch ProductHunt on September 5th, and they'll be happy to see your review there. So you guys know the drill. We're gonna start off with the small boxes or bags and then move our way up to the big stuff. Usually the good stuff is in the big boxes, so yeah. Oh, it's already here. Nice. So recently I got accepted as a Discord partner and they sent me a pretty dope hoodie. Oh, it's got the Discord logo in the front and the back, the word partner on it. That's pretty tight. You guys might see me wear this in a few videos. All right, next up, some cables for an upcoming build, ladies and gentlemen. So I was thinking, what color scheme haven't I done so far on the channel? And black and purple for some reason came up first. So I ordered some beautiful black and purple cables from Cable Mod. And check this out, guys, they even added new cable comb colors. So obviously I picked up the purple aluminum combs to better match the build. Oh, these are gonna look so good inside the build. I cannot wait to show you guys. It's gonna be a water-cooled build this time around, so pretty stoked. I think this is the next smallest box, I'm not really sure, but. So this is coming from Corsair. What do you have for me today? Oh, nothing exciting, just some super chilled coolant that looks like clear coolant, actually. I'm not gonna keep it clear, obviously. I'm gonna add some purple dye to spice things up. I smell a motherboard. I was indeed correct. So Eric sent me their Meg X570 Ace motherboard. It's already flashed, so it does support 3rd generation Ryzen. This is not going in the water-cooled build. This is actually a separate MSI build. Not a bad looking motherboard. This isn't technically tech, but oh, these shoes came in from my wife. Oh, these are so clean. Check these out. I don't know if you guys are into shoes or not, but I think these are the Hyper Pink Jordans that I bought. We went to Foot Locker and her size was sold out, so I went online and ordered these from this one website called StockX or something. Apparently it's like the eBay of shoes, and it got here actually within a few days, so that was pretty cool. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this. This is boring stuff for people who aren't into shoes, but these are pretty damn clean, if I say so myself. Next up is Amazon. Happy school year. Oh, that is right. School is back in session for you guys. A moment of silence for people going back to school. All right, that's enough. Oh, some stuff I picked up from Amazon. First up, I have the NZXT Puck in white. This is basically a headphone hanger that you can attach to a magnetic surface, specifically a case. And then we got the Glorious PC Gaming extended mouse pad in white. Let me open this up actually. That looks so clean. I don't know what it is with white mouse pads, but these things get dirty so quickly. And anybody who owns a white mouse pad, you guys are very ballsy. I'll give you that much. And what else do we have in here? Ooh, this looks clean. Nice, nice. Okay, I'm digging it. I'm digging that style. Very minimalistic. As you guys can see, it's made out of aluminum. Oh, it doesn't rotate. That sucks. So it only folds like that. Okay. All right, another box from Corsair. I'm guessing, judging by the tape. Why the hell am I smiling so much? I don't even know why. Oh, yeah. Corsair goodies are in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, no. These are just fans. I got excited for fans. I thought it was something else. Never mind. So we got a set of LL120 RGB fans in black. Oh, we got 2 packs of the black ones and 2 packs of the white ones. I'm actually getting really low on these because I put 6 of these in big red, if you guys remember. And of course, we got some fittings for the water-cooled build I was talking about earlier. Wow, we are zooming past this episode, guys. Do you like this fast-paced version of what's in the box? Or do you guys like me to spend a few minutes talking about all the product inside? Let me know in the comment section what you guys prefer. How do you even open this box? Oh, here we go. Okay, okay. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay, first up is the Master Liquid ML240R AIO cooler. Also from Cooler Master, we got the V750 Gold certified power supply. Oh, this looks pretty sick. We have a 5700 XT in gold, the Evoke. They're calling this the Evoke. I've actually never heard of this GPU before. Let me open this up. Actually, I'll open this up after the rest of this. Oh, okay, we got an AMD CPU that's open. This is pretty cool. I'm actually more excited about this little toy over here. Hello there, little buddy. I'm gonna call you Ray, and you're gonna join me for the rest of this unboxing video. You're gonna sit right over here. All right. We also got an MP600 from Corsair, guys. This is a 1 terabyte NVMe PCIe Gen 4 M.2 SSD. Wow, that is insane speeds on there. 4950 megabytes per second read and 4250 megabytes per second write. Oh, and Corsair's new Dominator Platinum RGB, guys. I've been trying to get my hands on these for the longest time. I honestly love the stealth look of these RAM sticks, and it's got a little bit of RGB on there, so just enough to spice up the build. Oh, take a look at these guys. Matte black RAM sticks with RGB lighting. Did I talk about the processor? They also sent me an open box 3800X. It's an 8-core, 12-thread processor, and this is going, I think, in the water-cooled build, if I'm not mistaken. But I want to take a look at this graphics card, actually, because I've never seen this before. Play hard, stay silent. I love MSI, but honestly, their phrases are so cheesy sometimes. Play hard, stay silent. What? Damn it, thick boy. Looks like it's a 3-slot GPU, and the color gold is gonna throw off the color scheme a lot, so I'm gonna try and find a way where I can maybe add some gold in the build. Bubble wrap and another GPU. Yeah, that was hella cringy. I'm never doing that again. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I had some coffee before shooting this episode. That is only why I'm a little jittery. But ladies and gentlemen, some good stuff from Gigabyte. We have the RX Vega 64 and the Aura's X570 Master. Is that the same board? Okay, well, that's fine. We'll do something with it. Another box from Amazon. Oh, I also picked up a gaming headset from MPOW. This actually looks really clean. Oh, look at these beauties. So it has a built-in microphone, which you cannot disconnect, okay? 3.5mm jack. However, you can connect it to this remote over here, and then it becomes USB. So you can plug this straight into your PS4 or plug it into your Xbox, PC, whatever that takes USB. Let's see what they sound like. Let's hear what they sound like. It's a comfortable gaming headset. Sound quality is pretty good. Does a decent job isolating noise. However, the volume doesn't get that loud. It's kind of disappointing. And this over here is a really clean, minimalistic glass monitor riser that I picked up for an upcoming project. This is beautiful. So these are the stands. It's not even that tall, guys. It's maybe like 2, maybe 3 inches of height. And then this goes over here. It's just enough to lift up your monitor a little higher than the desk, and then you can fit some stuff or put some stuff underneath it. But so next up is this, which is technically not in a packaging box. It arrived like this, but it is in a box. But I was looking everywhere for a really good looking gaming monitor, and this is the only one that I could find that's available to ship in the US. It's a 24-inch curved gaming monitor with 140 Hz refresh rate, and this is the only one that I could find in white. And the funny thing is, as soon as I bought this on Newegg, it got sold out immediately. So I don't know if they are discontinuing this model or it's just that popular. But yeah, this is going in an upcoming project. I keep saying that, but I can't give you any more details because I don't want to spoil it. Oh, Jesus. All right, so this is from EK. There's one more big box after this, and we are done. Holy moly, guacamole. That is a lot of stuff in there. Okay. Oh my God, no, I'm so sorry, Ray. Ray, I'm honestly so sorry. I did not mean to do that. I am so sorry. I'll put you on this side. All right. Oh, classic RGBS 360 water cooling kit from EK is finally here. So these are EK's new value liquid cooling kits that they're selling. Pretty much has everything to do a custom loop except the GPU block. And I will be doing a step-by-step build guide using one of these kits. So this company reached out to me a month ago and they're like, hey, can we send you one of our PCs? You don't have to make a video on it. You can do whatever you want once you get it. I'm like, okay, I like the idea of that. And the first thing that came to mind was, I can actually do a giveaway on this for the next setup makeover. So whoever I choose for that, that person is gonna get this PC. They sent me a list of specs for this and I got super excited. So I thought, why not just unbox it in this video, just to see what kind of PC I'm dealing with over here. Actually, you know what? Before we even unbox this, they sent me this smaller box. Let's open this up first. Enclosed are a few items to show our appreciation that we hope you'll enjoy. If there's anything I or my staff can do for you, please don't hesitate to contact us. Keanu Reeves, the president. Okay, that is pretty cool. This looks like a personalized box that they sent to whoever buys their PCs. I think that's what this is. First thing I noticed is a coffee mug with their logo on there. This is pretty cool. It's a nice looking mug, actually. This is a coffee bean. These are coffee beans. They sent me coffee beans, you guys. You guys get coffee beans, grounded coffee beans, if you buy a PC. If that's not a good deal, I don't know what is. Okay, looks like they got a shirt. Not bad. This is cool. I'm loving this unboxing experience. You guys are impressing me. What is this? Looks like some sort of a wooden box. Oh, this looks, is that real wood? Yeah, that's real wood. Here are the extra cables and accessories. They spent a lot of effort on the unboxing and the presentation, so I'll give them a +1 on that. I wonder if their PCs are any good. Aesthetically, I mean, it's not a bad looking PC. That is not a bad looking build, actually. So a couple of first impressions. It's a clean looking PC. The red RAM sticks kind of ruins the color scheme, but then again, there is no clear side panel, so that's irrelevant at this point. I do like the fact that they gave us 32 gigs of RAM, but the speed on that isn't as fast as I would have liked. You know, for a high-end build like this, I was expecting at least 3200 megahertz rated RAM. Also, they went with a 120mm radiator to cool the 9900K. That CPU runs pretty hot, And it is an unlocked CPU, so I don't know if they overclocked it or not, but if they did, I don't think this is gonna be enough to cool it. I would expect at least a 240 millimeter rad. Maybe they didn't have enough space for it. I'm guessing because of the optical drive or the hard drive down here. But yeah, let's boot it up. And actually, you know what? Let's take a look at cable management in the back. Okay, wow, that's clean. That's a clean job. So clearly these guys are going after performance over aesthetics, judging by the side panel and the selection of components inside. You know, instead of spending extra money on RGB lighting or custom sleeve cables, that's essentially where you would save money, and they would put that towards performance instead. So I guess you still technically get some lighting in the front over here, but that's pretty much all you get, because even the fans aren't LED lit. So this is kind of like a Batman PC, Dark Knight, stealthy look. No flashy RGB lighting or anything. And that will do it for this episode, guys. I hope it was enjoyable for you to watch, as it was enjoyable for me to unbox these for you. But anyways, I'll drop a link to all the parts you see in this video. Consider leaving a like if you enjoyed the series and want me to continue, and if you didn't, you know what to do. I love your faces so much. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't look at me that way. Ray, we talked about this.